So guys, we thought it was over for the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found Chicago reimagined, whatever you want to call them, but it's not. It's going to be another restock, but it's a little twist Nike is doing for this restock. Let's talk about it, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video. You guys already know, man, we come up in here talking about these exclusive access, shock drops, and everything like that. We try to help the masses, you know what I'm saying? It's not just for one specific crowd. We try to help everybody out that's a part of the sneaker community. And like I said, today we're gonna be talking about this restock that Nike is gonna be doing. So if you guys are new to the channel, right now what I need you to do, man, go ahead and subscribe right now. Hit the notification bell for your boy, and please leave a huge like on today's video, man. We are so close. You see the little ticker over there. We have 77,400 subscribers, so we're super close to that 80,000 threshold. It's just super dope, man. I still can't believe we got this far on the channel. It means so much. Everybody that came and support the channel, came and hit that like button. Come chop it with me down below in the comment section. And I just want to say thank you guys from the bottom of my heart, man. You guys already know all my social media links. We link down below in the description box, along my Twitter, my IG, my clothing brand, my Instagram, myself, my sneakers, all that stuff will be linked down below as always. And before we jump into the details of this restock that Nike's gonna be doing for the Lost and Founds, I gotta put you guys on to KINETIC Kings. Like I said, I've been rocking out with them for a couple of years now. They have some of the best shorts on the market. Here goes one of the first pairs that they sent over a couple days ago. I just love the designs, love the quality. It's some nice material. Got the dope drawstrings with the metal tips right here, as you guys can see, along with these beauties right here, man. I really like these. You guys gonna see a fit coming very soon near you with the KINETIC King shorts. So you got a KINETIC logo on the bottom left leg, and man, I just love the artwork they threw on these mesh shorts. And I also have a pair on right here, as you guys can see. You know what I'm saying, got the white KINETIC Kings right here on the pant leg, and just super nice, man. I love KINETIC. Yo, you guys can use my code DEVINTAGE to save 10% off your entire order. Make sure you guys go tap in now. The shorts go pretty quickly, but they have a lot more to offer than what I just showed you guys. Go tap in, link down below. KINETIC Kings. Use my code DEVINTAGE. Save you money on your entire purchase, man. All right, man. So here we have them, the most hype sneaker for the last year and a half, I would say, the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found. Just a beautiful sneaker. Just look at these, bro. Just look at them, man. So this is another drop that we're going to be getting, but this is going to be, like I said, a twist. It's going to be an exclusive access based, you know, restock like they did they did this a couple times now. Like they say, if you didn't hit this day, this specific time, you will get that access for a sneaker. That's exactly what they're doing for these Lost and Found Air Jordan 1s. I'm gonna read the details. And just a little disclaimer, this is only for my followers over in the EU, man. So if you guys do not know, I used to live in Germany for about a year and a half. So I got a bunch of supporters that do rock out with the channel still. And I'm gonna definitely help you guys out today as far as this restock that's gonna be happening on the Nike sneakers app. So pretty much the details read: entered and lost the main launch moment for that Jordan 1 Chicago on November 19, 2022. You had to enter and lost at least 5 different Jordan releases and sneakers in 2023, and members will be selected based on the size initially entered for and the availability of pairs in each size. So they're doing this with a little bit more of a twist. Usually they just say, if we took an L this day, we're gonna give you access, but now they're saying you gotta go for that specific size. You have to take mad L's in 2023. You've had to go for the sneaker when they dropped November 22nd. There's a lot of different rules that they're throwing for my EU supporters, man. So if you guys do not see that on your Nike sneakers app, you might have to refresh it. You might have to update your app, because it should definitely be there for everybody over in the EU. And I know some people that's probably watching this video, they got their stuff, got a VPN on it. I know back when I was in Germany, I know a couple people, you know, Americans that had a VPN on their apps and stuff like that, so it was still able to access, you know, the US sneakers. And I know, pretty sure some people that can do it both ways, you feel me? So if you guys are over in the EU, you will be going after this restock for the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found Chicago's. Let us know down below in the comment section, but just know it's not over for the US either. You guys know we got a crazy sneakers day coming up. I think it's September the 9th. It's September 9th or September the 4th, one of the two. Put the date right here. We're gonna get a crazy sneakers day. There's gonna be some mad heat. There's a lot of pairs that I've been seeing. Of course, the Lost and Found Jordan 1s, all of Travis Scott lows, SB4s, reimagined 3s, just a bunch of heaters that they're going to be doing for the US as well. So just know, it's going to be restocking again. If you do not have a pair yet, I would just hold off for just a second just to see what Sneakers Day is talking about. Just know you're getting the EU restock via exclusive access, and we're getting a restock for these on Sneakers Day, bro. So it's gonna be super crazy. Hopefully I'm off that day, you know what I'm saying, because I want to go live for the entire day, see what is happening, see what's cracking, because I know they're gonna drop some heaters. Sneakers Day 2023, you know what I'm saying, Jordan Ward 23. They gotta go crazy with some type of marketing strategy behind Sneakers Day 2023, man. And I think it's just safe to say that this is still one of the most sought after sneakers. I've seen these, you know, restocking a lot of Nike outlets. I've seen these joints restocking a lot, even on sneakers this year. I think they restocked like twice or maybe just once. I know it was a restock on the Nike sneakers app. Sold out very, very quickly. You guys know that the app was botted out and stuff like that. But like I said, we have another restock in 2 different, you know, regions for these lost and founds. I'm all here for it. I'm loving what Nike is doing. And I keep saying, hopefully I can get a pair for retail, because if you guys don't know, I paid resale for these. And I was a bit tight about that, you know, so I was a bit tight. It was like 500-some thousand pairs. I said, at least I get 1 pair for retail. And, you know, $400 later, look at me now. So I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys for tapping in. Again, make sure you guys in the EU have your app updated and stuff like that. Go check the details, read it off. Make sure you are ready for the drop. I think it's August the 8th, if I'm not mistaken. Should be on Tuesday. Yeah, so August the 8th, these joints will be dropping on the Sneakers app EU. And of course, next month, we're gonna be getting a restock for the lost and founds for Sneakers Day 2023. It's gonna be dope, man. So sub up, hit the notification bell, leave a huge like on today's video. Make sure you guys go check out Kinetic Kings. Use my code DEVINTAGE. Save on your entire purchase. Got a lot of dope stuff on there. They got tees, they got shorts, got a lot of stuff to offer you guys. I'm telling you, don't sleep on Kinetic Kings. I appreciate all the support. Again, thanks for tapping in. Let's go ahead and throw these joints on feet. See what you guys are in store for. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.